we almost got hit by a cow. We don't know, like, first of all, how did they get outside of this fence? Because there's a fence that will protect them from coming into the main road. And as soon as we were about to pass, there's a truck coming, and then this cow just decided to charge onto the road, and it missed us by this much. If Mr. E did not drive fast, and Kid and I were like, you know, like kind of gasping, because we were like, whoa, we saw it, panicking. I know. So grateful. You didn't move.
It accelerated when we got there.
Yeah.
That's the part that was scary. It was like,
yeah. We don't know if it's the lightning, because there's lightning outside. So we don't know if it was just trying to run away from that. But I mean, usually cows don't run away. They usually get under a tree or something. But whoa, it was like out of nowhere. It was a psycho cow. Oh.
What's the distance to come?
It's probably about 30.
Halfway.
Oh, roughly now. We're on our way to Cradle now.
How can you
This is Takasa.
What is it?
Visit you. I don't know. Attend you, visit you. This town used to be, I don't want to say famous, but so dilapidated now. These are where the small town. I mean, it's in a main road. There are lots of small towns in South Africa. Look at this mountain, guys. So mountains everywhere. Can you see the lightning in the distance? The storm over there? This is the Karoo, by the way.
It's like 20 miles.
it's about an hour and 50.
Huh? Distance, babe.
106.
Okay.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, it's about an hour and a half.
This is the famous church in Grafrenet. What is it called again?
And chicken.
Engeker.
I don't know, I think so.
Yeah, English. Anglican.
Nancy, I want to come.
We'll come back soon, so you can pay attention to the road now.
Who?
You.
I am paying attention.
You were looking at the church, like, not stopping, looking at the church.
Open up some happiness. They're closing now. That's Fella's move. Can you record me eating my biltong too?
Say it to me again.
No? I just keep it rolling. This is chili habanero. Oh, all of a sudden.
Diagvima cabal. This is how you do the karoo, okay? That's smoked sausage and that's cabanos. I don't know what you call that pink sausage, but they're both smoked. It's all about smoked everything here.
Rooibos.
Rooibos, red bars. It's just a Vienna.
But a roof Vienna, which tastes way better.
Tastes way better. It's smoked. And every year we come here. Every time we come to South Africa, we obviously come to the Karoo.
So, but they moved KFC.
They moved it. Ah, that's interesting. Oh. They moved KFC. Yeah.
No, I can get a car then together. No, I'm not gonna go past. I'm gonna wait for the car.
The car is full. It's groceries because tomorrow we're going to have a braai.
Yeah. Yeah.
Speaking of traditions, since the days of Cape Town, when we lived in Cape Town, and whenever we came to the Karoo, which is where my in-laws live, we always buy a bucket of KFC. And buy a bucket of KFC so that when we come inside, we have something to bring with us. It's raining. By the way, they haven't had rain for a long time. And on the day that we arrive, it's raining. So we consider that a blessing. Okay, to she's enjoying Cabanos. Probably for the first time.
Thank you.
Look at her. She's happy to be on camera.
Wait.
So,
Regular Coke. Thank you. Are you diet, man?
I'm sure it was a diet food. We are in Aberdeen. And I just wanted you guys to see, so this is a very old neighborhood that my husband grew up in. This is where his family is from. That's his aunt's house, that's his grandfather's house, that's his mother's house. And then tons of family here. But this town was developed basically during apartheid. And basically they worked in farms. They're still here. My husband is still here. They worked in farms, so they made these small houses for them, and then people have since extended them and made them bigger and modern. But there's a church there, but the point I wanted to make, you see how clean it is. Yes, they don't have the best of anything, but they clean what they have. And I think this is something that we as black people across South Africa, because in America we don't have this problem. Here in South Africa we need to maintain our neighborhoods, no matter how small. You see, all they did, clearly at some point this fence was falling here, and they put in this rod to make sure that it's, it's not leaning. This is what we need to do. Small maintenance. These are old houses, and I'm gonna go there and see if I can find a pomegranate tree. Just a root. I did take it last time, but it died. But yeah, I can show you the whole neighborhood, but I won't. Yes, on the outskirts, they started losing their step on the outskirts of the town. But overall, I remember it in 1996 when I first came, I believe. No, I didn't. It wasn't the first time I came. Early 90s, because our daughter was born in 92, and she came here when she was 2 years old to live with her grandma, and so. But anyway, that was my first impression. And this is when people still maintained even those rocks you see there. Let me see if I can zoom in on the ground. They used to be all like white, and people took pride in what they have. There they are again, more rocks over there, like right there. But anyway, the point is here that people took care of what they have. And again, these are very modest homes, and there's nothing special about them, but they clean them. That's my sister-in-law over there, and that's my husband's Dabao, which is aunt from father's side. But yeah, I just wanted to share that. I hope they don't mind me sharing, but this is in Eastern Cape in Aberdeen, which was, it's actually bigger on the other side, but I'm standing on the street right now. I might give you a tour of the whole neighborhood if you want. They have bigger houses and more modern houses. They still have the old toilets, and the trough, my trough that I have in the village was inspired by this, by the way. And this is my mother-in-law's sewing room when she was living. That was her house. And maybe I should just give you a quick tour we kind of messed it up already, by the way. You know, we're from the Transkei. We don't know how to take care of things. But this is the little kitchenette here. You can see it's a country house, and they bought a new stove, which is probably the same stove that I have in the shop there. And they cleaned it up for us so that, you know, we can feel comfortable when we're here. And you can see everything is just so clean. They take good care of what they have, and I absolutely admire that about them, you know. And then these are the bedrooms where we are sleeping. Yeah, so they have a toilet there, I mean a bath, and then a separate toilet. And then this is where we slept. I mean, the lights are not on right now. Where's the light? This is where we slept. Clean again, you know. And then this is where Kit and her brother slept. Love this wardrobe. So old-fashioned. And this is what I want to put in the guest house. I mean, in the guest bedroom. I want something like that, a relic like that. I know you guys are going to judge me, but I'm very sentimental. But yeah, let me switch off the lights. But anyway, that was the quick tour that I gave. There's another bedroom there. The hallways are narrow, 900. I can tell that by the door. 900. This is when people didn't know that hallways could be something magical. Good morning, by the way. I need to visit the hair fair and comb my hair. But anyway, we're going to be here for, you know, a few days and go back to the village. And yeah, just wanted to make this quick tour for you guys. This is the woman of the house, and she's making us some yum. Oh, that looks good, Scotty. She's making us some braai. And we're gonna take a quick walk with Miss Kit, and that's gonna be
Yes.
yeah, that's my job. But anyway, Kit wants to go for a walk, which is something unheard of here. People are always working here; they don't have time for walks. So, but anyway,
I'm right here.
yeah, she's right here. Tell them what you wanna do.
I want to go for a walk. We've been sitting in the car, on the road, since that's all we do.
Okay.
I just did laundry, so I was like, let's go for a walk. Also, the sun is coming out, and it is 1,000 degrees. We're in the desert, actually.
Yeah, that's true.
So I want to walk before it gets too hot.
There's Juju, the engineer, and a businessman, and there's Stella and her baby, and there's Uncle.
And Uncle.
We are taking a walk because it's about to be scorching hot here. It's about to be scorching hot. And look, there are 4 of us. Can you see, Lena? Let me walk in front of you guys. We are taking a walk because it's about, I mean, yesterday we were driving all day, so we're just trying to get in some walk. Okay, so I just want you guys to see here. Okay, so there's an issue there with water, obviously, and they're trying to fix it. But what's exciting to me is that they're actually fixing it. Whereas in the Transkei, this will be forever. And this is something we need to fix, okay? Because taking care of your neighborhoods is key. But anyway, look at this walkway here. And look at these sunflowers. So, but anyway, I don't know why they did this, but it's such a beautiful thing. It would be even nicer if they planted some flowers here, and this could be like a lover's walkway or something like that. I just love how modest the houses are here. They're very modest because they were built to just house employees that were working on the farms. They lived here, and there's wind blowing, which is so nice because it's 100-degree scorcher here. They are in the desert, in the Karoo, and it's so hot. And we come here every time we come to South Africa. We make a visit here for my husband's sake, so that he can connect with these people. Molweni, so you can connect with these people. My head is kind of doing all kinds of things. But it's so nice to walk here. Kids are still safe here. Kids can still run around. Kids can still go to the store by themselves. That's what we want for everyone. For everyone. Okay, so that's the school here. And grade one. What grade does it go to the school?
Till grade 9.
Grade 9. Okay. Yeah. That's why your dad had to go to high school in Beaufort West. But this is a school here. My husband went here. I think everyone in the family went here. It's called Lukol. And it's a, what did you say about the legacy?
It's a Harvard legacy.
It's a Harvard legacy. This is the Harvard of this township. Yeah. But anyway, there's the school. Hope you can see it through the fence. This is absolutely beautiful. I just love this. Juju just told us that they just finished it. So I was saying to him, they need to clean, like next to their school. And he was saying that they do spring cleaning, but they can also do end of term cleaning, right? So that before Christmas they clean their school. And I just love how, how clean the small towns are here. But obviously in the outskirts, they just need a little bit of work, right? To maintain this place, as I said, the first time I was here was in 1994, I think. 1994, yes. And it was so clean. And now, like with all of this, they just need to maintain it and make sure that, but I love this. This is like, you are the best thing for the kids to be able to walk here around the school. And it's just perfect.
Indeed.
Oh, they have you, right? No, I don't think it's young men initiates. Look at that house. That's a nice house. So this looks like an abandoned house here, and there's a tree right in front of the house. There are people? Sorry. There are people in there? Wow.
I think he's just escaping the sun.
Yeah.
That's his house.
He's like, oh.
Yeah.
Oh, anyway. I was saying, as much as, we do have a home in the Transkei, and that is where my mother was born, and that's where we decided to settle. But we always come here. We always come here to visit my in-laws, and we stay at my husband's grandfather's house. And maybe that's what we should do, maybe that's what we should do. Or I had to wait for the taxi. Maybe that's what we should do, but I was also thinking maybe we can buy a house and just literally have sleeping like quarter, and that's it. And a little bit of a kitchen. Huh?
I would love some of these.
Like have a small. I can zoom in. I wanted to have, you see that dilapidated building there. I wanted to get that.
Go buy anything?
No, nothing. Say, that's what you're saying. And then you smile. This big smile. There's Mrs. Daycare. Mrs. here.
Young. I was too young.
She was here for 9.
You guys taking a picture of me, guys.
Okay, I'll put you on YouTube. What's your name?
My name is Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisa. Doesn't she look like she could be our sister?
Yeah.
Huh? You look. Hold on.
I don't know.
You look similar. Like
To you guys.
yeah.
Oh, really? How are you guys looking?
Good.
How are you looking like? Why are you saying I look similar to you?
The face.
The face and everything. And you speak Afrikaans, I assume.
Afrikaans, English, English Xhosa.
Xhosa, and you considered colored, right?
Yeah.
And I'm not, and that's the difference. I'm pure
Where are
Xhosa.
you, my guys?
I'm from everywhere.
You're traveling all over.
Yeah,
Africa, all the other countries.
other countries. We live in the United States, but
Wow, what a flower. I've got marvelous friends also in the United.
yeah, but we grew up in Cape Town. Now we live in the Transkei. We also have a home in the Transkei.
I'm going to take a picture of me.
Okay, let me take it.
Today I woke up craving a potato salad, so I decided to make one. So I decided to fly to South Africa yesterday morning, and I got here and I boiled some potatoes and some eggs, and I cut up some pickle and some onion and some mayo, and now I'm gonna add it because I really wanted some potato salad from South Africa.
And my name is not.
Then I decided to change my shirt and my outfit and continue mixing.
Zimbini. Oh, zizo. Ngabo ibeka phakathi lapha.
Ukushachisa.
Lipasa amafundo ngayibhalela. Angazi phela umthunzi
Okay, bon appetit. The food looks awesome. Okay, sisigqithisa njani ngumzi wakho lo thina siyafoda cha? Okay. To do a taste test. Ulinda is going to try my salad, my potato salad. Better than it magas pet better. How is the potato salad?
It's good.
It's my best. Okay. Okay, let me introduce this lady here. This is Sisntoki, my favorite aunt. Sis, really. You know that, Makul. And then this is my Rosie.
And a big brother.
And a big brother. That's my husband's brother. His eldest brother. And this is sister. And then this is Noko. This is my sister Nokwe. This is my mother-in-law. This is my husband's sister. I mean, my husband's mother's sister. His aunt. Okay? And you guys already met Scotch. Yeah. Kaloku, I have to explain, I have a following from around the world. They don't understand. Yeah, it's my aunt-in-law, but I have to explain because in English, aunt is aunt. It doesn't matter about suga kumama okanye kudada, right? Or it could be a next door neighbor, right? So I have to explain to them exactly how we are related. Also for the future of our children, right? Exactly. So this is a roaster. Okay, it's just grilled dough. It's not like a pizza dough, really. And then get some meat, some boerewors, not as good as my husband's. And my potato salad is off the chain, and that's a bean salad.
That's it,
Okay, make a wish.
Family yande kuvanwe. Amen.
Amen.
Nanso cake yami ye birthday tell uBruma
56 years. 56 years. Oh. Yay! Yay! Say hi.
Face to face goku. Ngizakubona ku Facebook but ngibonile ngoku. Mama D. Ngimulika malama.
What you are seeing, that's Grafliner. It's a small town in the Karoo. It's a very nice little town. I'm down on bended knee. Oh, look at this police academy. It's so pretty.
Karoo.
Look at my tree. It's so nice when it's Lano.
Detectives.
I mean my tree.
I have a tree. Oh, like I have a tree. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah? The breeze is good, but it is hot. Huh? Down. So hot in Cape now.
You know that I love you. Oh.
Whoa!
I match. These match.
ncethu tamkhulu wena angatshisi wena
Ifake.
you may need something like a spirit or something.
We have those.
Why your lighters?
Love. Here, my ear. Yeah. Ooh, please don't stop.
First thing tomorrow, I'm gonna shower.
Yep. I think I might shower here in the main house.
Me too.
I thought it wasn't working.
No, in our.
You know, bathroom.
Because they got to see the living
Hello, Shell. Buya phi namhlanje? Yo, uyatya bethuna. Good to do. Her cousin said. And it is thundering. It's thundering. Look at that cloud. Oh, sorry, can't see it. Can unsee it. Hold on. Hold on.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the cloud.
A long time ago when it used to go viral, it used to mean something. Like it would literally
We had a lot of wind. You see that that thing there? Ooh, it was lightning too. Let me go inside.
from the 90s with Leonardo DiCaprio
Uh-huh.
of Romeo and Juliet. But it's not very age appropriate
I-
for Alexa.
I think I remember it.
Yeah, I'm not so interested in the movies because
They do it
it's
in
gonna help me understand.
they do it in the exact Shakespeare though. That's
Really?
what's cool about it. Yeah.
Oh,
Even though it's like modern, it's like 90s stuff.
Uh-huh.
They use the exact Shakespeare script,
Okay,
which is cool.
then I guess that's good.
Maybe when you guys finish the unit, maybe the teacher will let you guys watch it because I watched it for the first time in school. I
Yeah.
can't believe it.
We're gonna go to some Shakespeare
Yeah?
live thing somewhere. I don't know where it's gonna be, but I know that all the grade 9s have been doing it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wet hair. We detangled it, conditioned it, shampooed it. So now we're gonna do our best to define it. And Miss Alexa here has low porosity hair, so our bangs are already dry. But we're gonna do this butter to see if we can seal in some of the moisture. So I'm gonna moisturize it with water and then butter it and see if we can keep it defined. And if not, we will gel it up, baby.
Okay. Guess what? We've lost electricity, and the solar finally is paying off. Okay, but I wanted to show you guys this. Guess who's making sausage?
Leeds and Alex.
And here's two students here that are enjoying the lessons. We've seen it a million times in our house. So, but can you make us one batch that's very hot? I mean, hot enough with pepper flakes rather than.
Smells like what?
It smells like
When you
sausage.
put those in the fridge, back in the fridge.
Maybe it's the hog cheese.
Freezer.
It's a hog.
Yeah, fridge.
Casings.
Fridge, not freeze.
But anyway, just wanted to show
Actually,
you.
I wanted to taste test the sausage first.
Yeah, please. That way we know how it's
What
going
we're
to taste tomorrow. I'm sure the students will be happy to taste it too. Just small patties. Just don't make big ones, okay? Just something to taste. Mush bush. And Uhlelo, why aren't you in class? Tell me because a class in where? Yeah? Good 10. Good 10 because a class in where? What's going to sausage? Huh? Yeah, what's going to sausage where? Yeah? Huh?
How like this I stove before? Who's strong? Hey, she's very strong.
She's so strong.
Watch out, Pastor.
I know. I don't know what you guys are doing.
He's pushing me to the sausage.
Hey, watch out.
Garbage! Okay, good job, Phil.
Você sabe como cortar só?
Melissa sausage. Wow, that sausage is red.
So listen, I have chicken.
Yeah, we only have 8 here.
Hey, Alexa, go get the chicken, the one chicken. Go around there, it's gonna run. No, you can't do it that way, Alex. It needs to follow you now. Give it one more. And do it again when you're inside the yard. You have to be behind it and say shh, 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 shh. Wait for it to pass. Shh, 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 shh. Shh, shh, shh. Huh?
What if they turning black? I thought there was only one that was black.
No,
used to pull down the one
there's
that ran
5
away.
of them, and then there's 4. Another one that was not black died. Can you give them one more time? Yeah. No.
Keep them on this side.
Okay, so I just had my first harvest, but anyway, I just wanted to show you guys. So I asked my cousin to finish this off for me. So, excuse me, we can be able to use this, which is so nice because that is why I had this. And us be able to eat out here. Right now, hello, it's New Year's Eve and I'm all alone, and it frustrates me so much because my family had to go and take Clelo back to her grandma. And that's kind of annoying because now we kind of, running late basically. But that's okay. I rather that because we didn't want to take her. They wanted to come and pick her up at midnight. But anyway. Okay, so nice to have this. I've always wanted this. My niece no mulelo me does this. Where's the music? Eh? Sorry. Anyway, Bullet made this. Thanks, Bullet. Oh. Look at that. Okay.
DIY everything.
Like I generate.
Okay,
Do
so
certain things without the tools.
look at that.
This is a
Look at that.
very interesting New Year.
New Year's Eve. And everything was going so well until my Jesus.
Anyway, it's pointless.
Can you put all the meat in the pot and so that it just sits next to the fire, not in the actual fire?
It's not sitting on the fire.
Because we don't.
Fire,
No, I know, but we could try it.
It is.
Anyway, in case you all want to know, we are in South Africa for New Year's Eve, and we lost electricity, we lost solar, and now we are on generator. Backup of the backup system. Okay, say that again, Jerry.
No, they can't have a rocket without a South African.
No.
It's true. Without Elon Musk, would they have a rocket? They can't reach out space
Now
station.
he's starting a Cold War. That's what he's doing.
Just put this thing down.
We won that one.
The Americans don't have a chance of beating Russia and Ukraine.
Oh.
0 chance.
Elon Musk needs to come and fix our electricity issues here. before we give him credit for anything.
Elon Musk is a fraud.
Whoa. Now this is World War III.
Is the brother of Elon Musk.
I know. Imaginary.
The other way, yeah.
Yabona phofu
Yabona ngokusanyikinyela.
Hey.
Yes.
This thing,
I'm
I
gonna choice.
didn't even realize him now, but they did.
I'm gonna
No,
say this
Zimo,
the other way, yeah.
Thema
Push it.
I'm
Push
guilty of
it.
that. No thema akakhuphela nhloko pha.
That's, there you go.
Le nhloko le kule ntanga.
Hayi mina naxesha la nditsho lo beze apha
Silence.
ezimalini.
Silence.
Those suppose le nto yenzile. Those ngoku yabona ngoku
Push it.
Look at the kids.
Push it.
Funeka usenza yonke le nto
Power.
yonke le mihla ukhaya le ntambo.
Yep.
Kanti befanele uyenzile laa nto phaa.
Ngeni.
Jerry, other way. The other way, Jerry.
Banala DP box.
Chairman standard.
Failing dismally right now. Failing dismally right now. What's the
German standards.
No,
doing a
push
great
it, push
job.
it, Jerry.
Yeah, push it more first.
Hayi ndizawukhe ndimbuze.
Strong like I is.
Hayi bo.
Saba is on it. Oh, okay. Yes. Izanotya bethi. Izanotya babhemi. Kubani ixesha ngoku because guess what? Asifuni 5 to 12 no? 25 to 12. Go 5 to 12 we better all be here ne? And ready to count down, okay? So be ready to count down. 5 to 12. Jongani ke zenitye le salad green. Dianas. Zenitye le salad green. Dianas. Ayizozitya lo salad. Okay, it's almost 12 midnight in South Africa. Sorry, my camera is kind of smudged right now. and record challenge. We'll clear out. That's an assembly line. Engosi song. Dream. Anyway.